So hello, in this video we'll be talking about Arrays.sort. So as we know, Arrays.sort method consists of two variations, in which in the first variation we do not pass any argument and we sort the complete array, be it an array of integer or any character, and in the second one we pass the arguments. So in this video we will be looking at both of them one by one. So we should know that Arrays.sort method, it uses quicksort for primitive primitive types for sorting and uses merge sort to sort arrays of objects. And the time complexity that it offers is O of n log n. So this much we know, right? So the default syntax that we have is the one that we always generally use, is arrays.sort, and then we pass the array inside of it and then we do the sorting. And then there is another method, the overloaded one, arrays.sort, which sorts the array and which takes the first argument is the array that is to be sorted, and then it takes the index of the first element exclusive to be sorted, like to be sorted from, and the index of the last element will be exclusive, like that will be the second argument. So first index is inclusive and the second one is exclusive. Okay, so I think this is clear. Now we will see the example of these few, and it does not return and it does not have any return type, as we all know. So now we will see some of the example. So here we will take an integer array, (13, 7, 6, 45, 21, 9, 101 and 102. So if we simply use the default one, arrays.sort, and we pass the array will be sorted, and we will be printing the sorted array, and then we run it. And we see that the array is sorted to 6, 7, 9, 13, 21, 45, 101 and 102. Okay, so in the second example we'll take the same, but now what we will do, we will use the overloaded method to sort the array. So arrays.sort, we'll pass the array, we'll give the first index, and then we'll give the last index. So we'll sort the array from index 1, which is inclusive, to index 4. Index 4 because 5 is exclusive, it is not inclusive, and keep the other element as it is. So if we print it, we see like from index 1, 2, 3, 4, only these are sorted. So it will be 13, 6, 7, 21 and 45, and the rest are not sorted. So this is the second one. And then there is another where we can sort the array in reverse order. For that we have to pass the array, and then we have to pass collection sort reverse order. You have to pass, and then this will sort the array in the reverse order. And if it okay, so what we have to do, since we are passing this, it has to be integer. Yes, so now there's so we can see the array is sorted in reverse order. Okay, now lastly we will be implementing the sort method by declaring our own comparator interface. So this is the most important thing, where we are implementing the comparator interface and we are sorting the array. So for that we'll create a class student. Student will have a roll number, a name, an address. Okay, so we'll generate constructor, we'll select all, we'll generate toString method. Okay, we'll do so we'll define a main class. Here we'll declare the main method, we'll declare an array of students, So the roll number will be 101. I'll just fill these. Address will be like Delhi. So we have defined 3 student and we will be printing them. So we'll print it and we'll see whether we are getting the output or not. So we have got 1 at 1, 2, 5. Ravi, Rohan, Rishabh, Delhi, Hyderabad and Pune. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll sort on basis of we'll sort them. Okay, these are already sorted and roll number. So we'll add here 109 and then we'll sort it based on the roll numbers. So to sort again, we have to use Arrays.sort. We'll pass the array. I have to import it. And then have to sort by roll number, right? So for that we will have a class which will implement the comparator and so we'll be overriding this. So this is also one, and we'll be comparing student the first and we'll be comparing the student, and we will return a dot o1 dot so this is clear. Now if we run them, so this is what we generally do in it's not sorted. Okay, we are not printing it, sorry. need to print it also. We are printing, and then so this is the one, and if we run, so we're getting 101, 5 and 9. Now this is what we generally do in till Java 7, but from Java 8 what we can do, instead of passing this, we can, since here only one, we are only overriding one method, so this is a functional interface. So what we can do is we can pass the parameters here only. We don't need to create. Okay, so suppose now it is sorting, so we'll give O1, O2, we'll have lambda O1 dot roll number minus O2 dot roll number. So this will also this can also be done. See, this still works, and this can further be replaced with comparator dot comparing int, which is also doing the same thing, but we won't do this because this is a topic for some other video where we'll be discussing comparator dot comparing int method. So what we do, this is a functional interface where we have the arguments that will pass to the sort by roll number method. We are taking an instance and we are comparing them here only. So this is what we were doing in the previous video. I hope this makes it clear how we are doing arrays.sort using Java 8.